Okay, let's get hands-on and create our local repository. I'll create a folder in my desktop and call it Git for Beginners. Let me open it up on VS Code. So you can do that via the Explorer, open folder, and then search for the folder in your desktop. Right now, this is just an ordinary folder. Git knows nothing about it, and nothing inside of it is being tracked. In order to have Git track it, we need to initialize it as a repository. To do that, I'll open up the integrated terminal on VS Code. It should already be pointing to the folder directory, as you can see. The git init command initializes Git on a folder in your local directory. So you simply type git init and then enter. As you can see, it's initialized an empty Git repository in this folder in my desktop. Now, if we look at the folder itself, you can see that there is a hidden folder called .git. So if you can't see this .git folder, you'll need to unhide your files. This is where Git stores everything it needs to track your project. The entire history of your changes, your branches, your configuration, all of it lives inside of this folder. You don't need to go in there or touch anything, but just know that this Git folder is what makes a regular folder a Git repository. If you were to accidentally delete this, you'd lose all of your Git history and it would go back to being a normal folder.